Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kalpana and you're watching my YouTube channel Pharmacy Lessons Made Easy. These days we come across with a few words that seems quite similar like epidemic, endemic, pandemic. So what is the exact meaning of the term pandemic that we come across quite often? Let's understand. So this is nothing but a representation of the level of disease, or you can say baseline or endemic level of the disease. For example, let's consider the very first case. This is called sporadic. So it means such diseases which are limited to few regions of a country, and the major characteristics is they occurs quite infrequently and irregularly. Usually they don't get concentrated within a geographic location. For example, like tetanus, rabies, plague, like that. So, all these diseases are called sporadic diseases. On the contrary, the endemic diseases occur constantly. Their constant presence is there, their usual prevalence is there, and the infectious agent of that particular disease is in a geographical area. We can mention malaria, right? So that is also a disease which is prevalent, and it can be predicted by a model, and it's quite recurring. It appears again and again. But the thing is, it do not go above the predictions by the model that we actually develop for its prediction. So it may be zero, but rather remains in the observed level, and the disease may continue to occur at the endemic level indefinitely. That is a proper characteristic of endemic diseases. For example, malaria, if we talk about, it is prevalent in Africa, Asia, Latin America, and Middle East, and it is actually transmitted by protozoa parasite from Plasmodium genus. We know it. And other than this, some endemic diseases are like sickle cell anemia, typhoid fever. Endemic diseases can further be of either holoendemic diseases or hyperendemic diseases. Generally, children got affected by holoendemic diseases, and the human being of all age group are the victims of hyperendemic diseases. That is the main difference among holo and hyperendemic. And the next terminology that is being used as epidemic, it refers to a disease which is affecting huge population. The basic problem or the reason may be the source of food that they have consumed at the same time, or the disease like SARS that occurred a few days back. And when it actually happens, when the agent and the susceptible host, they are adequate in number, and that agent can be transmitted from source to the susceptible host for its uh, you can say transmission, right? Both should be available in adequate number, and there are chances that the disease will be spread by the agent transmission. Okay, and the most prevalent reason for this is a recent increase in amount or the virulence of that particular agent. Like in our case, if we talk about corona, so that virulent virus COVID-19 is actually increasing in amount, and its mode of transmission is also getting enhanced. Moreover, a change in susceptibility of the host suddenly against that agent, so that is also one of the prevalent reason. If we talk about the difference between epidemic and endemic, the main difference is that epidemic diseases have a widespread occurrence of infectious disease in a community at a particular time, whereas endemic is regularly found disease among a particular population or in a certain area. Epidemic cause a significant damage to the living organism with a short period of time, whereas endemic prevalence in a certain region or population only. If we exemplify and compare epidemic disease versus endemic disease, The examples like smallpox, H1N1, black plague, all these are epidemic diseases, whereas malaria, TB, chickenpox, they all are endemic diseases, right? So I hope you understood the difference between epidemic and endemic at this stage. Moving further to pandemic, that is the most common word that is being used these days. So this is that epidemic that has spread over several countries or continents, usually affecting large number of people. So this photograph actually is being taken from Public Library of Science, Wikimedia Commons, and this is the picture depicting the Great Plague of Florence in back in 1348 here. So if we want to differentiate now between epidemic and pandemic, epidemic is an event in which disease is actively spreading, whereas in case of pandemic it relates to geographic spread, that means throughout the globe. Okay. And epidemic is often used to describe problem that has gone out of control, whereas diseases affect a whole country or the entire world, right? So if we talk about the branch of science which actually deals with these stages of disease is called epidemiology. Moreover, I have taken this content, the source, as a reference is Deputy Director for Public Health Science and Surveillance, Center for Surveillance Epidemiology and Laboratory Services, Division of Scientific Education and Professional Development. If we talk about the same thing in context of COVID-19, initially seen to be an epidemic in China in December 2019 stage, but as the virus spread worldwide within months, so WHO declared COVID-19 a pandemic in March 2020. So this was all about what is epidemic, endemic, pandemic, and sporadic disease. So my final appeal to all of you, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice time.